Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Gogo Maweni got married to the love of her life, Usabelo. She looked so happy, even on the pictures. It was so beautiful, and it was such like an intimate event because not a lot of people knew about it, but obviously when you invite people into your wedding, they will be taking videos and posting them on social media. Like the one that I got it from Facebook, but it was not posted by her. It was posted by someone else. But all in all, it was such a beautiful event, and the outfits were looking so good. So congratulations to her for marrying the life of her life. Guys, we wish them all the best. And also in another news, Kokos Kotane is getting attacked everywhere, guys. Kokos Kotane recently got her new body from Turkey. She bought a new body from Turkey, Sana, with that flat stomach, and she looks so stunning, guys. She has also lost weight. I'm thinking maybe she was dieting or maybe going to the gym, but she has lost weight. She has a flat stomach now. She did a tummy tuck, and she said that she didn't do a BBL, but she did a tummy tuck and also did something for the hips, for the hip dips. She did something like that. But a BBL, she says nope, she didn't do a BBL like like naturally. So, Kazini Kokos Kosen is getting attacked each and everywhere. There's a video that is circulating here on YouTube. It's also circulating on Facebook, where it is alleged that Ukokos Koteni watched one of the initiates getting assaulted, and she was just laughing, which I personally don't think it's true. But then who am I to judge, guys? Who am I to judge? So there's a person who was telling her story that Ukokos Koteni was just watching while she was getting assaulted. Yeah, while she was getting assaulted, Kokos Kotini was just sexually assaulted. Kokos Kotini was just watching there and laughing. And this girl is one of the initiates, was one of the initiates of Kokos Kotini. She was just watching and laughing as a woman. But I don't know, I'm not here to judge. I don't know, I was not there. People have been reacting to the story on TikTok, even here on Facebook. I'm just hoping it's not true, because as a woman, how can you watch someone getting sexually assaulted and laugh? And like, your initiates are supposed to be like your children, because they depend on you. They don't know anything about this um industry or about this thing that they are going through. So you have to be there for them. You have to protect them, because their families are trusting you with their children. So I'm just hoping it's not true. But yes, guys, it is alleged that Kokos Kotini was just watching there, was just laughing, doing nothing about it. And she also had another scandal this week, Kokos Kotini. I posted a video here on this channel. You can just go and check it out, where Queen Loli was she was alleging that Ukokos Koteni had sexual relations with Umpumelelo Mseleku. Yes, guys, sexual relations. I know, right? Yes. And then Ukokos Koteni did a video, guys. I will include the video where she was addressing these rumors on TikTok. She was saying she did not do anything with Umpumelelo Mseleku. She had no relations with Umpumelelo Mseleku. She was just setting the record straight with Yena and Umpumelelo Mseleku first met when she was interviewing Umpumelelo Mseleku on her podcast. That's when they met. So at this point, it's a back and forth, because Queen Loli says that she had the news from Ugogo Maweni, and when she was saying this, she also had proof. She had a voice note from Ugogo Maweni saying that Ugogo Skhotheni has sexual relations with Umpumelelo Mseleku. They are having cloth, behind closed doors. So at this point, I really don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm not judging on this matter. I'm not taking any sides because there's also not enough evidence, there's not enough evidence. I'm not saying she didn't do it, and I'm also not saying that she did it. I'm just reporting on the news, guys, But yes, guys, I will include the video here where Ugogo Skhotheni was setting the record straight that she did not have any sexual relations with Umpumelelo. She first met Umpumelelo when they were doing the interview for her podcast, and that was it. So I don't know. Let me include the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like, you subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. I love you. I will see you on my next one. Bye.
Yes, I was not gonna address this, but I can see it needs my attention. I've never had any sexual encounter with Mpumelelo Mseleku. I saw on my ancestors' life. I've never. I met him when he had to come to my podcast. Even my ex-husband would testify on this if he could. I respected my marriage, never involved a third party. Emshadweni wami. Emshadweni wami asikaze sibanga umuntu wesithathu, guys. Not even giving each other signs that we are doing each other like that. Just because we're separated does not mean it's because of a third party. So when I say so khuluma lezinto ngiyakubona nje, I was thinking of suing you, but ngiyakubona ukuthi uyisu nje uyihambela. Impilo yakho isuwe wena. And you playing those voice notes thinking, no. Don't try to involve battles that you know very well, Guti. They've been there. Me and that girl on the voice note, yes, we don't get along. So I'm not expecting anything good coming from her. Ngam.